Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do is do another DEGA Rewards update. So we've done a few of these, and comment down below if you are currently participating in the DEGA 1 ISPO. I would love to hear from you. So definitely comment that down below, and also like, comment, and subscribe. It's the one way you guys can help us out here on the channel. So let's dive right into it. We're going to go to DEGA.org. So this is a ISPO that we're covering. So I've been delegating for a little bit to the DEGA 1, and we have a lot of videos on this. But we're going to dive right into it. So I'm going to make sure that I'm on DEGA.org. We're going to start from the scratch, from the very beginning here. And I'm going to show you guys as well how you can find your stake key. Some people have, asked about that. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do that in this video as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to find our stake key. So when you are delegating, and if you want to know how, go to the channel, this channel, Crypto Moose, type in DEGA, and everything that you want is in this video with the red thumbnail. Okay, so watch that video, and we're going to cover some of it, but that will help you a lot. Okay, so first things first, you want to go to DEGA.org. Once you're there, okay, this is after you stake. So make sure that you're delegating to the right ISPO. I show you in this video, the one with the red logo. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to DEGA.org, and you're going to go to Rewards Dashboard. Once you're there, you're going to see all this info, and you're going to paste in your address. Now, this is not going to be your public address. I'll give you an example how to find it. So let's go to a Cardano wallet I have, my Trezor wallet. We're going to go to Receive, Copy, Paste in Cardano Scan. So you're going to go to cardanoscan.io. So now we're going to go here and paste it. Okay. So once you paste it, then what you can do is search. So we're going to search. We're going to see all this beautiful activity. I've been doing quite a bit with Kopi recently. And your controlled stake key, that is the key. So you want to copy and paste that right down here where it says enter address. So I've already entered all these addresses. Also, what I've done is I've created a spreadsheet. So, whether it be on your Notes app or Word document, whatever it is, just put in all of your stake keys so you know if you're using multiple wallets like me. I just can't do anything like with one wallet. I'm crazy. But I also want to take advantage, right? Because the Moose, he's been doing good lately with Kopi, but he's been suffering some losses. Okay. Maybe I just need to not be so loose. Comment down below. Is the Moose too loose? Should the Moose go from 8 cups of coffee to 4? But I don't think that's going to work. If I don't have 4, then I'm not even functional. But then when I have 8, maybe I'm just too loose. Like, I don't know. This is only cup number 1, by the way, just so you guys know. All right, so let's calculate. So what we're going to do is get the calculator app, and we're going to add all these numbers. This is difficult for the Moose, so bear with me. We're going to do it this way. So we're going to get it exact, pretty close. So 2,655 plus 474 plus 44,942 plus, see, I'm already 9,053 plus, is that right? 111 plus 32 plus 1,281 plus 292 plus 279. All right, let's just do it like that. It's actually a little bit more. 59,119 DEGA. One of these wallets is actually my parents. So actually, they're up like 7x on that Kopi position. So shout out to them. 59,119. So if we round it up, we're closer to 59,120 minimum. So it's pretty cool. Comment down below. how many DEGA do you have? That's all I really wanted to cover on this video. I mean, we can also check out the Twitters, see what else is up with DEGA. I typically when it comes to the DEGA, I just do the rewards update, and they're like, hey, like, Moose, we have other stuff going on. The team hits me up, and I'm like, look, like, I don't know what else to talk about. But they have these like AI things coming out and whatnot. So follow DEGA. I highly recommend it. I don't know if this is available, but they have these DEGA Realms elements. I just haven't been interested, to be honest. Like, I'll never lie to you guys. Like, if I'm not interested, if my headspace is somewhere else, like, I still got to produce content. Like, to make 5 videos and be energetic, it's tough for me. Like, it's actually difficult. I like doing videos, but I don't like being in it as much. But anyways, I do like doing it with you guys. So that's pretty much it. Like, check it out, see what they're up to. Let's see if they have a little recap. So blockchain game development made easy. Your imagination, our technology, infinite possibilities. So they're helping. They're building creative tools, helping metaverse gaming projects just prosper, making it easier for users to come in. So you can imagine that, you want to get into Copy, but you don't know a lot about crypto. They're making tools to help individuals with all that. So check it out, dega.org. That is basically all you really need to know. And I was going over the Cardano staking, by the way, and I know it's available for Matic as well. So check out their elements. Like, look at this, even on their website, get your elements so you should be able to still maybe buy these or mint these. Let's check it out. But there's a lot going on with DEGA, right? So under elements, yeah, it looks like you could still pick some of these up. So I haven't done too much research on them. I can't buy every NFT. Like, I'm not Warren Buffett, and even if I was, like, he wouldn't be buying these. So anyways, that's all we got. Again, we're nearing 60,000 DEGA, and we only have a little bit left. 5 epochs, 5, 6, maybe 6 more epochs. That's it. So, yeah, actually, I might as well send you guys to the link tree. We do have the Crypto Moose, Loose Moose NFT coming out. So if you go on the link tree down in the description below, click on this. We're minting 499. That's what's going to be available for total. That's in 18 days. So December 21st, 5 p.m. UTC. It's not showing up on the calendar. If somebody can comment down below or message them, hey, where's the Loose Moose NFT? Basically, you're going to get the chance to win giveaways. When I have companies send me hardware wallets or even tokens, if I do an interview with the CEO, I'm like, hey, give me some tokens. I can give them out to subscribers. Whoever is holding the Loose Moose NFTs, you get a shot at that. So check that out. We also have, what else? Copy's crushing it, by the way. Might as well go over it swiftly. Copy, if none of you have heard about it, it's at 7.5 cents. So we're up on the week. It doesn't show accurately here, but we're up 40% on the day, like 200% on the week. It's been nice. Copy's been at that 2-3 cent level, and I've done quite well on Copy. I'm going to be doing a dedicated video. As you all know, it's just like it's been nice. It's been nice this week to see Copy do well. But I do have this other token I'm having a hard time with. It's Saber Protocol. I'm down like horribly on that. So anyways, the Moose needs to calm down. Moose needs to calm down. So that being said, we'll see you all in the next one.